Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Healthy Lifestyle with Santana, where I talk about smoothies, juices and everything natural. So today I'll be showing you guys a classic smoothie. It consists of strawberries, bananas, yogurts and also soy milk. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I've got my strawberries that have already been washed. I've got 125 grams of Greek yogurt. I'm using one whole banana. You're going to need your blender, and I've got my Ninja. So let's get started. Yeah, so for my liquid, I forgot to mention I'll be using alpha soya, and I'll be using just a cup of that. Lovely. I really taste the soya milk. Great. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments below if you made this, and let me know how you liked it as well. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.